and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with our Sesame Street friends, Ernie, Big Bird, Oscar the Grouch, and Snuffleupagus. We're at the beach today, and we are going to be playing in the sand, jumping in the water, and having lots of outside fun in the sun. Big Bird packed his beach bag. Let's see what's inside. I see a little tiny red life jacket and also a little yellow life jacket. We have a blue beach towel, and there's a little rake, and we have a seahorse sand toy, a turtle sand toy. What do we do? That's okay. A beach bag has holes in it, so we can just shake the sand out and it can fall out of the holes. No problem. Oh, his blue bucket. Let's see what's inside. A blue rake, a yellow scooping spoon, and a red sand sifter. Remember, we had one of these with Daniel Tiger, and we found a marble in the sand. The small particles go through the bottom, and then what's left over are the bigger rocks. But we need to use dry sand because wet sand will clog the holes. There, all of the little sand went through, and we're left with these little rocks and one big rock. Look who it is! It's Poppy! Hi, Poppy! Are you joining us today at the beach? Aw, good little Poppy. Still has a dirty little mustache. Oscar also packed a green shovel. And what's this, Oscar? Suckers? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're very colorful. What colors do you see? I see orange, green, red, and yellow. But Oscar, sugar isn't good for you. Maybe you should have brought some fruit and vegetables instead. It's time to go for a swim. Who's gonna jump in first? Oscar puts up his hand. Me, me, me. I love the water. Okay, Oscar, are you going to jump in with your trash can? Well, of course. But won't it fill with water and sink? Well, let's see. Oscar's just a toy, and there's no holes for him to fill up with water. Let's go. Whee! Snuffleupagus wants to go second. Can you count down from 3 and he will jump in? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Even though Snuffleupagus is heavy, he's floating. Uh-oh, Oscar, don't get too far from shore. I'm going to create some waves with my foot so that they start to go towards shore. It's a little chilly today for a swim for me. Ernie is going to go third. Let's go. Ready, set, go. And on go, Ernie will jump in. Ready, set, go. Big Bird is a very good swimmer. He did all of his swim lessons. So he's not afraid of the water, but he's worried it's going to be too cold when he jumps in. And his friends are almost at shore. Oh, Big Bird, I know you're a little scared of the cold water, but the cold water is good for you. Okay, maybe we can help Big Bird. What can we do to make Big Bird feel a little bit better? How about we count down from 10? Does that work for you, Big Bird? Okay, let's try it. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Splash! You did it, Big Bird. Good job. Ernie, Snuffy, and Oscar the Grouch made it to shore. But Big Bird is going farther out swimming. Big Bird, how am I going to get you? What can I do to get Big Bird because I don't have my bathing suit on? Do you think this stick will help? It's quite long. Let's see. Oh, I see some minnows in the water. I think I can get close enough to Big Bird without getting my shorts wet. Come on, Big Bird. There we go. Swim, swim, swim. Oh, Puppy's wondering what's going on. Oh, what's that, Puppy? It's a little toy. Oh, maybe he thinks it's a fish. It's only Big Bird. Don't bite, Big Bird. You want the stick, Puppy? Oh no, he's afraid of the stick. It's too big. Oscar has spotted something in the water. It's a little snail. Do you see it, tiny fans, on that rock? I wonder if it's cleaning the rocks. Oh, now it's time to relax and dry off. I set the hammock up for our toys. Do you think they'll all fit in the hammock? Oh dear. We don't want to fall out of the hammock, Ernie. Let's go this way. There we go. And now Snuffy is the heaviest. So we'll put Snuffy right in the middle. And then we have Oscar. Oh, Oscar did get filled with water, but he didn't sink, but you can hear it. I wonder how the water got in. Maybe through the crack at the bottom. Well, hopefully the water comes out, Oscar, or else our toys will get moldy inside, and mold is really bad for our health. Okay, there we go. And Big Bird. Now, do you think we could give them a little bit of a swing? Whee! Now, I found a way to get the water out of Oscar. Do you see the water dripping out? It's coming out that bottom crack. Give it a little shake, 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 shake. All right, I think Oscar is empty now. Good job, Oscar. And I think it's time to go visit the garden. But wait, we still have to play in the sand. Let's bury the toys. Then we'll go visit the garden. We'll dig a bit of a hole with our yellow scoop. Big Bird. Snuffy. Ernie. And there's some water on the hammock. Let's shake that out too. And Oscar. Okay, let's bury our toys. Woo! But not their heads. They need to be able to breathe. Ooh, don't get sand in your mouth, Oscar. Oh, yuck, yuck. Let's try that again. We'll be more careful this time. Oh, no. Oh, dear. Okay. We better just go visit the garden and see if we can spot any bees. We love bees. Bees are our friends. And we need to protect our bees. Oh, we better spray you guys off before we go to the garden. You're all dirty now. All sandy. Spit that sand out, Big Bird. Poppy and I heard something in the bushes on the way to the garden. Is it a mouse? Is it a snake? What is it? Okay, we're at the grass and I have the hose. Let's spray the toys so they can get clean. Oh dear, did you see how far Oscar went? Oh, Oscar, are you okay? I think the hose water pressure is quite strong. Whee! Squeaky clean. Now let's go see the purple flowers. They're so pretty. Oh, there's the purple flowers. And there's a teeny tiny little bird sitting on top. I wonder if it's a hummingbird. Although hummingbirds usually don't stop. It is a hummingbird. Oh, it's so cute, tiny fans. Hummingbirds beat their wings about 70 times a second, and they like to eat nectar. They can fly backwards and up and down. The hummingbird flew away, but let's go up the rock stairs and see if we can find... Oh, I already heard a bee buzzing. Look carefully. Do you see any bees? Oh, there's one. Big Bird's helping. Oh, Big Bird, you have something on your head. Oh, I wonder what that is. Oh, I just saw a bee land on one of the yellow flowers. Oh, it's so cute. There's another one. It just went inside the flower. They collect and spread pollen. It helps our plants grow. We need our bees for food. Hello, little bee. All right, tiny fans, we're going to go sit in a red chair and relax and look at the water and the bees. And we hope you can go outside and enjoy nature too. That's what we love to do here. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.